Hello On The Clock friends and users. In this video, I'm going to walk through how the scheduling component of On The Clock works. We will cover how to schedule your employees, adding and modifying shifts, and how you can customize schedules between multiple locations. Once you log into your admin account, the first step will be to click on the Schedules tab at the top of the screen. Let's start with View Schedule. The current work week will appear, and you can view all of your employees and what their scheduled shifts will be for the week. If you want to see a specific day, just click on the Day tab. If you want to view the entire month, click the Month tab. You can also customize further by clicking Schedule Options, where you can filter by pay period or a customizable date range. When future schedules are confirmed, you can publish and share them with your workforce using On The Clock. Once you're viewing the date range you want published, under Schedule Options, choose Publish Now, and all of your managers and employees will be made aware of the official schedule via email. Pretty easy so far, right? And just an FYI, you can export this information to Excel if you like, or save it as a PDF if you prefer to print it out and keep a hard copy around the office. Now, time to dive in and examine some of the cool customizable options that On The Clock provides. This is most advantageous for companies that do not have a standard employee schedule, such as the hospitality or medical industries. Simply click on the date and the new shift window will appear. Here you fill out the information about this new shift. You can also change the color of the shift to note that this shift falls outside of the employee's normal workload. In addition to scheduling your company's standard work time, this tool can also create an event that is applied to your entire workforce as well. For example, next week Friday, you want everyone in the office for the quarterly meeting. Just draw up the time frame the meeting is taking place, assign it to the employee, and you can also copy this shift to all of the employees that you want to attend. If you're managing a large company with lots of employees and multiple locations, On The Clock has ways to keep things clear and simple. In addition to color-coding employees and their shifts, clicking on this options calendar allows you to customize certain dates or date ranges, copy a schedule if you know that employees will have a few weeks or months in a row that will be consistent, and you can also filter the schedule as well, whether that be by location, department, manager, or a combination of the three. Know who is supposed to be where and for how long by using On The Clock. Thank you for your time, and remember, visit OnTheClock.com for more information and tips on how to make your business run more smoothly by using On The Clock.